Welcome back to AnyQuest tutorial videos, where today we're going to be discussing web searching tool in the generate activity. So to get started with this, I created a sample flow. It's essentially a research report where I instructed the agent that it's a financial analyst researching a company. The start activity, you're going to enter the company and their CEO, and then it goes into the first generate, which will just create a JSON object for the company name and the CEO. The reason why I'm putting them in a JSON object is because I want to split off the CEO into its own generate down here. And I want these top three to just get the company name. So with web searching, you can make it as intricate as you'd like. For this example, it's going to be more generic and general. So I prompted the first one just to search for general information about, and I passed it the company name. And what you really have to make sure you do here is come into properties, right? We're going to come down to tools, and then you're able to pick between Google search and web scraper. You can change this. Google search, it doesn't have to be Google search. You can type in your enter in your favorite search engine and use that. But for me, I like Google search, so all you do is pick it, click add, and then it'll come down here and you'll know you've added it. We'll click continue, output the text, right? So did the same thing for each one. This one is a little bit more detailed, right? We're going to search the web for competitors and their respective current market share with actual percentages of market share included, and include where you source this information and how accurate the source to be, right? So like I've mentioned in other videos, it's very important to be very specific when prompting to get that information that you want. We're going to click save, and recent posts, a little bit more generic as well. And then the last one, just finding information on the CEO. And all of these I've set up and gone into properties, gone through them, and clicked Google search as the tool. Okay, and we'll do a test run. So we'll do company is Tesla, and then a comma, and the CEO is Elon Musk. So always good practice to type in the company colon and the name or whatever it may be that you're inputting here, CEO colon and then the CEO. Run it, come into activities. So we could see they create a JSON object containing Tesla and the CEO, Elon Musk. All right. And this was that overview, which it brought back quite a bit of information. And then generate 2, this was their competitor list. So it gives you the source, their market share, and the market share of their competitors, as well as source accuracy, which I asked for as well for this. And then we have the overview of the CEO here, and some recent posts about Tesla. So that's going to cover web search. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.